In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a description to your Trello board. Adding a clear description is one of the fastest ways to give context to your work in Trello. It helps teammates understand what a card is for, what success looks like, and any key details they need before jumping in. Let's walk through it together, step by step. First, open your browser and go to Trello.com. Make sure you're signed in so you can access your workspaces. If you use the desktop app, the steps are the same, but I'll demonstrate in a browser for clarity. Next, click the Boards button to view all the boards you have access to. This is your hub for navigating projects. If you're part of multiple workspaces, you'll see boards grouped accordingly. Choose the workspace where the project lives, then continue. Now, select the board you want to work in and click it to open. Think of a board as your project's home base. It's organized into lists, and inside each list you'll find individual cards representing tasks, ideas, or deliverables. On the board, click the card you want to describe. This opens the card details panel, sometimes called the card back. Here you'll manage everything related to that task, from checklists and attachments to due dates and comments. In the card details, look for the description section. If it's empty, you might see a prompt inviting you to add more detail. Click in that area to activate the editor. This is where you'll provide the context your team needs. Type your description, aim for a concise summary that explains the purpose of the card, what's in scope, and any relevant links or references. If helpful, include expectations, dependencies, and current status. Trello supports basic formatting, so you can structure your text for readability. Clear, scannable descriptions save time and reduce follow-up questions. When you're happy with what you've written, click Save. This commits your changes and makes the description visible to everyone with access to the card. You can return to this section anytime to refine or update details as the work evolves. Team members who watch the card may receive notifications about updates, which helps keep everyone aligned. That's all it takes to add a description in Trello. Go to Trello.com, open your boards, choose a board, open a card, click the description area, write your details, and save. If you don't see the option to edit, you may not have permission on that board, so check with your workspace admin. With a clear description in place, your team will have the context they need to move forward confidently.